In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the no sound issue or other audio issues on Windows 10. If you don't hear any audio, what you need to do is check if your speakers are disabled. To check if your speakers are disabled, simply go to the audio icon, right-click on the audio icon, and click on Open Sound Settings. Click on Sound Control Panel, and check if you have an speaker disabled. As you can see, my speaker is disabled. To enable the speaker, simply right-click on the speaker, click on Enable, and that's it. Once that's done, what you can do is test the speaker. To test the speaker, simply right-click on the speaker and click on Test. You hear an audio, good, but you still don't hear any audio. What you need to do now is disable the audio enhancement option. To disable the audio enhancement option, simply right-click on the speaker, click on Property, Advanced, and disable all these options: audio enhancement, hardware acceleration, and allow application to take exclusive control of this device. Hit Apply, hit OK, and test again. If you still don't hear any audio, what you need to do is check if you have volume. Sometimes you can be trying to hear the audio when you don't have any volume. To level up the volume, simply go to the audio icon and go and move the slider up to a volume that you are comfortable with. And test again. If you still don't hear any audio, the other option is to change the audio output. Sometimes you can be sending the audio to the incorrect output. To change the audio output, simply go to the audio icon, left-click on the audio icon, and change the audio output. And test again. If you still don't hear any audio, what you need to do is update the driver. To update the driver, simply right-click on the Windows icon, click on Device Manager, click on Sound and Video Games and Controllers, right-click on the audio driver, click on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. If an update is found, it will automatically download and install for you. The other option, if this doesn't work, is right-click on the audio driver again, click on Update, click on Browse my computer for driver, click on this option, let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer, select the driver that you want to install, click on Next and wait for the system to install the driver. And test again. If this still doesn't work, one last option is to delete the driver and install again. To delete the driver, simply right-click on the driver, click on Uninstall Device, click on this option, delete the driver software for this device, click on Install. When that's done, click on this little monitor icon and restart your computer. To restart your computer, simply left-click on the Windows icon, click on Power, and restart your computer. And that's it. That's how you can fix the audio issues on Windows 10. If you still have questions, be sure to comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you. This is Chris J Technology and I will be catching you on the next video. Have a good day.